Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about colors. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for blue in Setswana?
Pududu.
Pududu.
Very good. Pududu. And what is the word for red in Setswana?
Kibidu.
Kibidu.
That's right. Kibidu. And what is the word for yellow in Setswana?
Serolwana.
That's right. Serolwana. Now, what is the word for green in Setswana?
Tala.
Very good. Tala. And pink in Setswana?
Pinky.
Pinky.
That's the easy one. Pinky. And what is orange in Setswana?
Namune.
Namune.
Very good. Namune. And now you know the colors in Setswana. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.